All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
It's great to be here.
We always love getting into some really interesting topics on this show.
Right.
And I think we've got a good one today,
Oh, yeah,
a really good one.
definitely.
So we're going to be talking about AI
Okay.
and specifically how it's being used to combat counterfeits.
Interesting.
Yeah, so this is a problem.
Right.
Counterfeits are everywhere these
Oh,
days.
yeah, every industry's got them.
But it's a really big problem in the luxury watch market.
Huge.
Yeah, absolutely huge.
It's like billions of dollars.
Yeah, billions and billions.
Yeah, it's a big market, and it's only getting bigger.
Right, and that's kind of the scary part.
Yeah.
So, I was doing some reading,
Mm-hmm.
and I found that the global counterfeit market
Mm-hmm.
was valued at something like $4.2 trillion in 2022,
Wow.
which is just an insane number.
Yeah.
And luxury goods were a big part of that.
Makes sense.
Yeah, so you can imagine, these counterfeiters are making a lot of money.
Oh, yeah, they're raking it in.
Yeah, and they're getting really good at it, too.
Oh, absolutely. The fakes are getting harder and harder to spot.
Yeah, exactly. And that's where AI comes in.
Okay, so how's AI helping with this?
Well, there's this new technology called Trust Watch.
Trust Watch.
Yeah, have you heard of it?
I've heard the name, but I'm not really sure what it is.
Okay, yeah, so it's this really cool technology developed by an Italian company called Hoken.
Okay.
And basically what it does is it uses AI and images to authenticate watches.
Interesting. So, like, you take a picture of the watch, and
Indeed.
the AI tells you if it's real or fake.
Exactly, that's it.
So is it like looking for like serial numbers or something?
Well, it's a little more complicated than that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it uses something called computer vision.
Computer vision, I've heard of that.
Yeah, so
Huh.
basically it's like giving the AI eyes
Okay.
so it can analyze the image of the watch in much greater detail than a human can.
So it can spot those tiny little flaws. Like maybe the logo's a little bit off or the font's wrong or something like that.
Exactly. It can spot things that even an expert might miss.
Wow. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it is. And the best part is it's super easy to use.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you just upload a picture of your watch to the Trust Watch app,
Mm-hmm.
and it'll tell you if it's authentic or not.
Just like that.
Just like that. It takes just a few seconds.
And it can tell you like what model it is and everything.
Yeah, it can identify the brand, the model, the year is made, all that stuff.
Wow, that's really cool.
Yeah, it is. And it's really accurate, too.
How accurate are we talking?
Well, they have a 4.6 out of 5-star rating on Trustpilot.
4.6, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's based on like 21 reviews.
Okay, so people are actually using it and they like it.
Yeah, exactly. And the technology is constantly evolving, too.
So they're always updating it.
Right. They're adding new models all the time, and they're making the AI even smarter.
So it can stay ahead of the counterfeiters.
Yeah, exactly. Because those guys are always coming up with new ways to make their fakes look more real.
Right. Right.
But this technology is designed to stay one step ahead of them.
Well, that's good to hear.
Yeah, it is.
So what about security, though?
Oh, yeah, that's a good question.
Like if I'm uploading pictures of my watch, I want to make sure that information is safe.
Absolutely. And that's another great thing about Trust Watch.
Okay.
They use blockchain technology to secure all the data.
Blockchain. So it's like cryptocurrency.
Exactly. It's the same technology that makes cryptocurrency so secure.
Okay, so my information is safe. That's good.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about your data being hacked or stolen.
Right, that's a relief.
Yeah, so it's a really secure platform.
Well, that sounds like a really promising solution.
It is. It really is. And I think it has the potential to revolutionize the way we authenticate luxury watches.
Definitely.
And not just watches.
Right, I was just thinking that.
Yeah, I mean, this technology could be used to authenticate all sorts of things.
Like what?
Well, artwork, for example.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, there are a lot of fake paintings and sculptures out there.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then you've got collectibles like baseball cards or stamps,
Mm-hmm.
and even everyday products like sneakers and handbags.
Wow. So this technology could really help to combat counterfeiting in a lot of different industries.
Yeah, I think so. It has the potential to be a real game changer.
It's pretty amazing what AI can do these days.
Yeah, it really is. And it makes you wonder what other applications we'll see for this type of technology in the future.
I know, right? It's exciting to think about.
Yeah, like what if we could use it to authenticate historical documents
Oh, wow.
or even contracts?
Yeah, that would be huge.
It could help to prevent fraud and ensure the authenticity of important records.
That's a really interesting thought.
Yeah, and it makes you think about the possibilities for verifying the integrity of digital content, too.
Oh, yeah, like making sure that videos and images haven't been tampered with.
Exactly. It's pretty mind-boggling when you really start to think about it.
It really is. It's incredible how technology is changing the world.
Yeah, it is. And I think we're just scratching the surface of what AI can do.
Yeah. Yeah, I think you're right.
Well, that's about all the time we have for today's deep dive.
This was a really fascinating topic.
It was, and I hope you all enjoyed it.
Me too.
So until next time, keep your eyes peeled for the latest advancements in AI,
And be careful out there.
especially if you're buying a luxury watch.
Oh, yeah. Always make sure you're getting the real deal.
Absolutely. All right, everyone, thanks for listening.
Thanks for having me.
It was great having you.
See ya.
See ya.